Hey there, today I'll tell you about how to fix TikTok shop product not available. It's very common problem in TikTok shop, so it happens for a few reasons. There are policy violations, regional restrictions, accidental feature disabled, outdated app version, connectivity issues. So why it happens if it's one of the most common reasons TikTok shop may not be showing is if your account is violate platform policies around issues like spam, intellectual property infringement, or user safety regulations. TikTok may restrict access to the shop feature as a result. Or TikTok shop availability differs across global markets based on local factors like demand, regulations, and TikTok's own strategic roadmaps. As of early 2023, the features was enabled for select countries including Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, China, and more. Sometimes TikTok may not display if you have toggled the feature off in your personal app settings. This could be due to intentionally disabling for preference or accidentally switching the toggle without realizing it. Having the latest version of TikTok mobile app is key for accessing all newest features without bugs and glitches. Using an outdated version can cause problems with shop not surfacing properly during browsing and shopping journeys. Unreliable internet connections are a leading cause of problem accessing TikTok shop. Weak Wi-Fi signals, congested mobile networks, VPN connections, and similar technical issues can block the shop from loading properly. So, how you can fix it? First, start your TikTok. Open your TikTok app and going to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Then now find the three lines up the top, right click them and select settings and privacy. Then keep scrolling down until you report a problem. Once you find it, tap on the submit a report right at the bottom. Now let's get specific. Describe the problem. Just say your TikTok shop product isn't showing up. If you can attach some pics or videos showing what's going on. Once you have explained everything, hit submit to send if you detailed report to TikTok support. Now you have done your part. On the left is to sit tight and wait for TikTok support to get back to you with the help you need. And that's it. That's how you can fix a TikTok shop product not available.